You see people making thousands of dollars, but you don't know where to start. What skill do you choose? Where do you get clients? And how do you even start? If there is these type of questions in your mind, then this video is for you. Currently, I am on that stage where I want to start freelancing. I have no experience, no clients, and no idea what to do first. I found a clear roadmap that actually going to work. And today I will break it down for you. The exact steps to start freelancing and sell your services. But here's the question. How do you actually start? I want to make sure that this video is only for beginners. But before you start, you need to understand what is freelancing actually is. Freelancing means offering your skills and getting paid per project instead of working a regular 9 to 5 job. You are your own boss. You decided what to work, where to work, and how much you charge. The best part, you can start from anywhere with just laptop and internet. So boys, take the notes. Step number 1. The first step is choosing the right skill, which is profitable and businesses and clients actually need and pay for it, like content writing, graphic designing, video editing, social media marketing, and SEO. The key is to pick one skill and master it instead of trying to do everything at once. Step 2. Learning and practicing your skill. Now you have chosen a skill. How do you actually learn it? Here's the best approach according to my research. In free learning, there are lot of websites. Here's the some example like YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, Google Skillshop, and HubSpot Academy. You can choose one of the platform from these to learn your skill for free and get certified. Practice your skills daily. Create small projects and test your skills. Follow the industry experts. Get inspirations, learn from them, and follow them. Step 3. Building a portfolio. I know, you have no client in starting, but you can build it even without a client. One of the biggest struggle beginners face is how do I get clients if I have no experience? Simple. Create a sample portfolio before you get real clients. पहले पहला question. Suppose if you are a writer, you can write 2 to 3 articles in your niche and upload them to Google Drive, and you can also upload these articles on medium like websites. If you are a graphic designer, design some logos, some thumbnails, some cover letters to show your workspace. If you are a video editor, edit some videos to show your work to client. If you are a SEO freelancer, write an SEO case studies, build backlinks for a test project, or create sample guest spots. Step number 4. This is a major point. This is a major step. This helps you a lot. Grow your online presence. Make your personal brand. Freelancing is not just about skills, it's about presence. It's about visibility. The more people see your work, the more opportunities you get. Here's how to grow your presence and brand yourself as a professional. Create your social profiles like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Optimize them. Post valuable content. Share tips, case studies, and also document your freelancing journey. Engage with the communities, comments on industry posts, join discussions, and interact with potential clients. Build a personal website and also network with other freelancers. Connect with other service providers for collaborations and referrals. Your online presence can attract clients, collaborations, and bigger opportunities. Step number 5. Choose where and how to sell. This is a most important point. Listen carefully. Now you learn your service, you practice, your portfolio is ready. Now it's time to sell your service. But here's the question. Where do you sell your service? And how do you sell your service? These are two major questions. Every beginner struggle to find the answer of these questions. Here's the best places to start. Freelancing platforms. Easy start. Like Fiverr, Upwork, Kwork, and like people per hour platforms. Number 2. Social media. You can also sell your services on your social media. Number 3, you can also use cold emailing. It's best for high paying clients. Reach out to business directly and inform them about your services and show them your expertise. Choose one platform and go all in. You don't need to be everywhere. Just focus on one strategy that works for you. Step number 6. Finally, get your first client. Even with no experience, getting your first client is the hardest part, but it's possible. Even if you are a beginner, here's what you can try to get your first client. Send a custom proposal. No AI, no copy pasting. Send just personalized each message. Number 2, offer a small discount. Lower your rate slightly to land your first job. Number 3, over deliver on your value. Make sure your first client is impressed and gives you thumb up. Number 4, get a great review to build trust and get a future clients. Number 5, scale up. Then you can increase your prices, expand services, and finally grow into an agency. Your first client is the hardest to get, but once you have one, you have good to go. The rest come easier. So, what next? For implement all these steps, you need to do hard work, maintain consistency on your first day decision, and last, you need to have patience. Then finally, you are good to go. Freedom doors are open for you. Now you have complete roadmap to start freelancing from zero, but here's the exciting part. I won't tell you. I won't just tell you about these steps. I will be documenting my entire journey and implementing each step in real time. For that, you can see my next videos. So, if you want to see me go from zero to building my freelancing career, make sure to stick around. And before you go, tell me which step are you on right now? Let me know in the comments. I will read and reply every single comment. And if you want to follow my journey from a college broken boy to successful entrepreneur, hit that like and subscribe button. Let's see together.